Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check the fly spots of your DJI Air 2S. So to do this, you have to be connected with the DJI Fly application and then click on this arrow to go back and click on the fly spots. So click on it and now just wait a little bit. You have to be also connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now let's click skip in the right upper corner, click agree, and as you can see that's my currently location, and here we can find those fly spots where we are able basically to fly it without any permissions. So we can actually do this in this blue circles just right here, and when you click on it you will also get some details. There we go. When you click on this red circle, you will see that this one is actually restricted. And you can also change your places by tapping right here. So we can go, for example, for the Europe, for the other country. We can go, for example, for the Austria. We can go to the Vienna. Yeah, there we go. Vienna city, and we are right here. No, for some reason we just switched to this. Oh, no, we are in China right now. Yeah, looks like. Yeah, definitely. So let's move to the Europe, like there we go, to the Vienna. Here we are. And right now we can zoom in and also check the other flight spots. And yeah, you can also change the map type by tapping right here. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.